In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Printify store currency. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the currency you see while browsing products and how to set the currency you're billed in so everything aligns with your preferences and your bank. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Printify. When the results load, click the official Printify website. A quick tip: verify the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate site before you sign in. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual method. If you have multiple stores or accounts, double-check you're in the right one to avoid confusion later. After you're logged in, head to the catalog. This is where you'll find products and pricing from different print providers. Look to the top right corner of the page for the currency selector. Click it, then choose the currency you prefer to see while browsing. Options typically include USD, GBP, EUR, AUD, and CAD. This setting controls how product costs and shipping estimates are displayed to you as you explore the catalog. It's a viewing preference, so it won't change your customer's storefront currency or how you're billed. Think of it as your window into pricing while you shop for products. Next, let's set the currency that Printify uses to charge you. Open the wallet area and go to Payments. Scroll until you see the billing currency section, then click Change. Select the currency you want to be billed in and confirm your choice. This affects how Printify processes your charges for orders and services. Choosing a currency that matches your bank or card can reduce conversion fees on your side. Keep in mind that availability can vary by region and payment method, and your bank may still apply its own exchange or processing fees. A few helpful clarifications. The catalog currency is purely for display while you browse. The billing currency is what matters for actual charges. Changing the billing currency doesn't retroactively alter past transactions. Also, this does not adjust your storefront currency on platforms like Shopify or Etsy. That's managed in your e-commerce platform settings. To wrap up, you searched for and opened Printify, logged in, set your viewing currency in the catalog, and then set your billing currency in Wallet under Payments. With both of these aligned, you'll have a consistent view of prices and clearer expectations for what you'll be charged. That's all you need to confidently set up your Printify store currency.